Greetings, and welcome to yet another unboxing. Obviously, I've gotten something from China to my P.O. box. So, what could this be? China Post. I have a inkling and I kind of know what this is, but I'll leave the suspense for you guys. Man, they really wanted it to be delivered to me. They've got postage on both sides. Nice, nice, nice. What is this? Oh, is that right? Oh my god, you can see it quite well from there. It is the PineCil, the Pine Project's risk-based open source soldering iron. Ooh. There you go. Pinecone logo. The PineCil has arrived. Ooh, slidey box. Let's check this out. Okay, so it does have a barrel jack at one end and a Type-C, so that's going to be quite nice. It actually does feel kind of good. Grounding strap. It's a little lighter than I thought it was going to be. And, whoa, okay. Maybe that's because I don't have the tip installed yet. Okay, I see. So these two screws here go and should tighten down on this. Neat. Is there like any instructions for this? Or am I supposed to just... Okay. No instructions whatsoever. So I'm going to have to yellow this. Neat. Ah, come on, box. So that's the PineCil. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.